So we've had it this way for over a year now, fixed bed, but I actually don't like it. I'm gonna take all this out and I'm gonna have a lounge here at the end. Look off, over there you can pass through. You can get in the fucking way. So there's the space when I've moved the bed. Need to get behind this panel here so I can fit this shore power. So I'm cutting the hole out in the van and we're going to fit this. Right, so I've got one of them and I've cut the end off, cut this end off, don't need that, and this part we're going to wire up to this. Just made the hole. Comes in there. I'll show you how we're going to. So cut the plug off and get the wires like that, ready to get wire up into there. So there's my finished box. So now we've got a plug socket, well 1, 2, 3, 4 plug sockets in the van. And basically you just wire it up there. It's exactly the same as a plug. Neutral, live, positive and neutral, and free in there, just wire it up the same as a plug. And then you've got then you've got your sockets in. So I just sealed mine in with some sealant, your standard sealant. Yeah, I got rid of that fixed bed, put myself a desk in there now instead. I am having some furniture made off a guy in London who's doing me a load of furniture that's going to fit in here just perfect. But for now I'll use that. I've got a fold out bed there